Alright, how to export only audio in Adobe Premiere Pro free CC video editing tutorial. Step 1, drag the video that you want to use, so that you want to export audio only in Adobe Premiere Pro. Step number 2, drag it under your timeline, and then again have the in point, I, go to the out, then clip and click O. If you don't know how to do this, I'll leave screenshots here. But the next step, you don't have to highlight the clip, it's just optional, is to click Ctrl plus M, and then this will bring up the export settings. Okay, so under format, click this, the drop down arrow, and it will find something underneath H2.64. If you don't have it, and it's called MP3. Now click that. Alright, and then under preset, notice that there's also another drop down arrow, so click that. Click MP3 256 high quality, or click any of these other quality, but we want the highest quality. And then under output name, you can change the name of this, wherever you say this under PC, desktop, Mac, or an airplane if you identify yourself as that. No, I'm just actually playing, but click save, and then click export. If you want to see more videos like this, check out the playlist and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications.